Assalamu alaikum. This is hijab tutorial for the summer. Let's start.
First and most important thing is to decide on the material. The material should be thin, soft and pleasant, so what it doesn't feel hard. I recommend organza, chiffon, jersey and cotton stoles. I will start with my favorite and easiest method. I'm gonna need a jersey scarf and in a gentle motion spread the scarf evenly. I do a little tug in the front. I use the special clip for my hijab. Tuck the ends of the tippet bag and to keep your shawl from falling off every 5 seconds, secure with a pin at the back of the tippet. For the second way, I use organza scarf. Use the special hijab clip and fold the scarf back. This way, we turn it into this and pin it. It's easy and beautiful. This way of tying off the shawl with the chin closed. Make folds on the sides and use the clip. Tie the shawl around your head and pin it in 2 places.